What's up guys, my name is TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a video for you on fixing your microphone inside of Counter-Strike Global Offensive or changing it to a different device. Because if you have installed a voice changer, a standalone microphone if you already have one in your headset, or your microphone just isn't working in game when you're holding down the talk key, it may have the wrong input device selected. If you start up Counter-Strike, head across to the settings menu and then audio, you'll see that you can choose an output device, but you can't choose an input device. You can only set it to push to talk, voice activated, etc, but you can't go ahead and pick a different input device like I can an output device. So how exactly do you go about fixing this? Well, you don't do it from inside of Counter-Strike, and I don't think you'll need to restart it, but if you're currently in a game, then you may have to leave and rejoin it to get it to work entirely. But how do you do it? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Head across to Steam, and then make sure to open up your friends list by clicking the bottom right, Friends and Chat, and then once you're here, hit the Settings button in the top right, and then head across to Voice. Now that you're here, you can start a microphone test, where you can hear yourself. You can choose an input device, and you can choose an output device. When you set an input device here, it'll change for games such as Counter-Strike. You can change the input volume, output volume, etc, and that's about it. When you change your device here, you shouldn't have to restart your game, but it should immediately start working with the correct input device, and people can hear you in game. Of course, if you're trying to fix your microphone that isn't working, you can simply choose a different device from this input device menu, save it, and then go back and choose the correct one. Then it should be working. Of course, if you can't hear yourself in the start microphone test, then there may be something else wrong with your microphone. How exactly would you go about fixing that? Well, right-clicking your speaker in the bottom right, open sound settings, sound control panel, and then you'll see the screen over here. Head across to recording, find your input device and make sure that you can see it moving up and down. You'll also see it moving up and down in the settings window over here. You can go in, change the quality. I'd recommend leaving all of these enhancements unchecked. Check the quality in this tab over here, etc, and then it should be easy enough to get it working again. Anyways, that's about it. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.